Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1969 Chevy Fleetside Pickup that's made in 1/18 scale by Highway 61. So if you like those pickup trucks, please stay tuned to the end of this video. And also don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to share my video, and to subscribe my channel. So let's unbox this truck and take a better look at it. So we have the pickup truck that's made in a flat black. It looks pretty much custom and little black banded looking, and it looks really very nice, though this pickup is pretty much stock. We can see the stock wheels and tires, wheel covers, and all details. So as we take a look at the front, we can see this 1969 Chevy truck, and we can see this front grille, which is very realistic with those headlights and Chevrolet logo. It goes all the way to the grill mash, which is actually a grill. And as we pop the hood open, we can see the engine, which I think is a 350, one of the best GM engines of all times. And the hinges are very well made. The brake system, air filter, radiator, manifold, radiator itself, the grill mash, a grill. It's actually a grill. And reservoir. So all details are supposed to be in the engine and engine bay, and the hood closes correctly just like in a real car, and this flat black color looks pretty much interesting. And the wheels and tires are perfect. They're pretty stock. Open the driver's door, we can take a look at the interior, which is pretty much stock. As we can see, the stock dashboard, stock steering wheel, stock seats, stock pedals. It's an automatic transmission, so it's only gas and brake. Wheel steer, as we steer them, we can see the steering wheel moving. And it's got the headliner, the carpet, every single detail, even the door panels look pretty much stock. So this truck is pretty much stock from the inside and pretty much custom from the outside. It looks very interesting. Door is a little loose, but it opens and closes correctly. And the tailgate, which has a mechanism just like the original truck, bad. And the tail lights, which look very nice with the reverse lights at top. And as we close the tailgate, we can see the lock in the center of it, and a Chevrolet that's cast in metal. And on the other side, as we open the passenger door, we can take a better look at the interior, and we can see a little bit more detail inside. Dashboard is pretty much square, and we can see the gauges, the mirror, seats, the mats, carpet, and gear lever, and the pedals, and all details that are supposed to be inside. So this interior looks really very nice. And door closes correctly as well. The antenna that goes up and down. Windshield wipers and windshield that look very nice, very realistic, as well as this front I've shown before. And as we look at the bottom of the truck, we can see the rear axle, the spare tire, the rear suspension, which works actually, the front suspension that works as well, the structure, the mud guards, and the engine, the hitch, the tow hitch in the back, and the engine and tranny look very nice. The mufflers, and the drive shaft, in this case it's fixed, the wheel steer. So it's a very nice bottom, a very nice frame, very well reproduced. So Highway 61 is a very cool brand. It makes very cool cars, and I like this truck a lot. So from 0 to 10, I'd give it a 10. I think it's a very nice truck and a very nice model car. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, for all subscriptions. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give your thumbs up, which is very important, to share this video, and also to leave your comments below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.